Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a backup of our Discord server. So guys, let's go to your Discord. Now tap on the server name. Tap on server settings. Now tap on server template. Now enter here template title. You can also add here description and then just tap on generate template. Now tap on preview template to see your backup template outlook here, and then just tap on create, and then the backup server will be created. So guys, that's it. That's how you can create a backup of a Discord server very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching the video.